Down.
Left side, can I see appearance?
Yeah, down. Can you see there? Yeah,
Yeah.
that one. Okay, in that you can see the themes. Okay. Yeah. So now you can see here, right side you can see some themes are already these are all default themes.
Set. Yeah.
Okay. Now, okay, these are not so attractive, so I need something, attractive theme. So what we had to do, remember, there are two types of themes are there: free theme and then paid theme. Okay. Today I am going to explain you about free theme. So tomorrow I will show you with the paid theme. Okay. Now, okay, right side, can you see add new theme?
Right side, can I see? Yeah.
Yeah, click on that. Yes, so here you can see popular, latest, favorites, premium. You can see there, right?
Yeah.
So we are in the popular section right now. So you can see there 4106 themes are added. It is like a Play Store in the mobile, Google Play Store.
Yeah.
So lot of apps will be there in the Play Store. Similarly, here we can see more than 4000 themes. Okay, but the thing is, how you will come to know that which is the best theme, right? You don't have a time to check each and everything. If you go on checking like that, it will take more than 1 month of time. So now that is the reason I am here to guide you which is the best one. Okay, remember, I will repeat once again. Today we are discussing free themes. Okay. So for a free theme, the best one is, you can see in the first column itself, so sorry, first row itself, right side, your idea matters. Can you see the right side? Yeah, that one. Okay, this is the most popular theme. The name of the theme is Astra, ASTRA. Okay, so just click on that details and preview. Yeah, left side, can you see ratings?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at how many ratings is there. So yeah, so from that thing you can understand how popular this theme is. Okay, right side, this is the preview. Whatever you are seeing, that is how it looks in our website. But don't worry, this looks like very simple kind of a thing, but still we had to do some settings inside that. Later, you can build the website as per your requirement. Okay, now I will give you some task here. So just like Astra theme, so check the ratings and reviews for remaining themes. Just click on any one. Yeah, look at the ratings. So this is also very popular, Ocean WP. Apart from some people, they prefer Ocean WP, but personally, if you ask me, Astra is the best one. Okay. So like that, lot of themes are there. So when you get a free time, you can go on checking all these things based on your business. Whatever the theme you want, like that. So for example, if you have a plan to build the e-commerce website, educational website, so based on ratings and reviews, see, don't look at only ratings and reviews. Go to the YouTube, check there. Type in the YouTube like Astra WordPress theme tutorial, something like that. Okay, then lot of videos will be there. Just go through with at least 2 to 3 videos. People will give the best reviews there, how the website works, how the theme works. So this all will become perfect only by practicing.
Yeah.
Okay. So today I will go with the Astra theme. So click on the Astra. Click on the install. Okay, then click on the activate. Yes, so once it is activated, can you see there top side, thank you for installing Astra, below that get started. Okay, what do you mean by this? You can just read that thing. Did you know Astra comes with dozens of ready to use templates? This is very important. Don't get confused with the name here. Theme template, 2 terms will come, 2 words. Okay, remember, after installing the theme only we can install the template. Okay, right now we have installed the theme. The name of the theme is Astra. Inside that we are going to install ready to use starter templates. Means everything is ready made, you don't have to do anything. Okay, so just click on the get started, and then you can have a beautiful website. That is the meaning. Okay, now click on the get started. Okay, in the meantime, okay, now do one thing, go to the front end of the website. It is already open, right? Yeah, look at here. Refresh. Yeah, this is how your website is looking right now. Okay, after installing the Astra theme, it is looking like this. So right now we are going to install the templates. So after installing the template, how it looks, that I will show you. Okay, now go back. Yeah, here it is asking select the page builder. So what do you mean by this page builder? That I will explain in the next step, don't worry. But remember, we are going to use the second one, that is Elementor. The most popular with this plugin, this is what you call it as a plugin also. With this you can build a customized pages for your website. Okay, now click on the Elementor and then wait for a minute.
All the themes are the same kind of thing, or all the names are different?
Every theme is different. Okay, some themes.
Okay, this is like a theme for the Astra.
Yeah, so some themes it will not come with the templates. Okay, remember. So that's why I told you whenever you get a free time, so try to install new themes, new templates. You will get an idea. What do you mean by theme? What do you mean by template? All those things. Okay, now you can see here all these are ready-made templates. Okay, so everything is ready-made, but some are free, some are premium here. Okay, so we can filter here. Top side you can see search box is there, and all. Okay, click on the all. Yeah, here based on your requirement you can select here. For example, click on the e-commerce. Okay, in this, okay, now I want to see only the free. Okay, not with the paid. So click on the e-commerce again, you can select the free. Yes, now you can see these are all the free ready-made templates. Okay, now what I will do, okay, you can just click on anyone, whichever you like, just click on anyone. Yeah, okay, now I want to see the preview, how it looks in my website if I install this template. Yeah, click on the preview site. Yes, see, this is how it looks if you install this template. You can scroll down and you can check it. Okay, don't worry, we can customize everything. All these photos, if you don't want, we can remove it. The logo we can remove it. Text we can remove it. We can do we can build as per our requirement. Okay, okay, now if you like this one, what we can do, we can install this. So at the bottom, yeah, click on the import complete site.
Home template would mean
only
just the first
only
page.
The home page. Yeah, only the home page it will be installed. Okay, now you know. Yeah, click the I am a WordPress, that one. Yeah, select the beginner and then here myself and then click the next. Okay, so this you can skip it. At the bottom you have the skip option. Yes, now it is installed. So just wait for a minute. So remember, not every theme will come with a ready-made templates like this. Okay, some themes what will happen, but nowadays what is happening is everybody will prefer the ready-made templates.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, so it will save a lot of time. So if you go on building the new template, it will take more time. So that's the reason we usually prefer these kind of themes and templates.
So if you have a normal website, yeah, you can build it with an e-commerce. So payments and all these plugins can be done directly.
Everything we can do here. We can do all those setup here.
And other systems to put order management also. Suppose there is something you want to buy, you click on purchase, but the user. So suppose it's a food website. Suppose I'm selling burgers, right?
Okay.
But maybe you can't immediately buy. So you click on buy. It's my business. I get a message that okay, you want to buy a burger.
Yes.
Is there some process to accept the order and then it goes back to the user saying okay, you can purchase this?
You can do that. That's what customization. You can do it based on your requirement.
It is. No, so but I'm saying like an order management system that okay, if somebody is trying to purchase, I'll directly get a message and then I can reply back saying okay, I will do it, and then the process
yes, we can do that.
Complete.
We can do that. Okay. Yeah, now you can see it is imported successfully. You can close this and go to the front end and then refresh there. This you can, yeah, so refresh. That's it. Okay, so the website is ready, the theme is installed successfully. Okay, the next part is we have to do the customization. We have to change the photo, we need to change the logo, and the menus we have to build. You can see in the top side, home, all product. So all these things you are going to learn day by day.